We all know that all of the Kardashians have their fair share of haters, right? After all, that's what they are known for. These women have been the faces of multiple controversies, and many don't have a problem with calling them out for their wrong actions. Even some celebrities hate them. So with this list, let's take a look at the 10 celebs who dissed Kylie Jenner. Number 10. Selena Gomez. Back in the day, Disney sweetheart Selena Gomez and Kylie Jenner used to be best friends. You know, the kind of best friends who wear matching outfits at the Coachella Festival. But somewhere along the way, things went wrong. At that time, Selena was dating Justin Bieber on and off. According to sources, Kylie and Kendall were in contact with Justin during an off period, and that reportedly caused a rift between Selena and the sisters. Selena even thought that the sisters were bad influences, but Kylie and Kendall reportedly thought the same as Selena. No one involved ever addressed the alleged drama, but it does seem true that Selena unfollowed Kylie at the time. She deleted photos featuring Kylie and Kendall at the festival, along with snapshots from Christian Combs' 16th birthday bash. According to an inside source, Selena was not happy with Justin and called Kylie a desperate Justin Bieber groupie. But all that might be water under the bridge now, since Kylie and Selena reconnected for a photo on the Met Gala red carpet in 2018. It would be a major understatement to say that things are complicated when it comes to Gomez and Kylie's friendship. They have so many people in common and countless rumors surrounding the two of them, making it tough to know what is really going on with them. Number 9. P. Diddy. Did you know that some fans call P. Diddy a crop master? Let us tell you why. When Kylie took a picture with rapper P. Diddy at the 2017 Met Gala, she probably didn't think too much of it. She can be seen in the photo giving the middle finger while standing next to the rapper and his crew. The image amassed more than 2 million likes, but Diddy clearly wasn't a fan of the sisters and cropped them out of the image he shared on Instagram. His editing skills were deemed savage by fans who called him the crop master. Others used the hashtag DiddyCrop to show their appreciation for his sneaky move. What do you think? Did you Diddy crop pics with unwanted people? Number 8. Shailene Woodley. One of the biggest disses in celebrity land is when stars pretend they don't know somebody. That's the case in this scenario. When Shailene Woodley was asked to attempt her best Kylie Jenner pout, she replied, "I have no idea who that is, I'm sorry." Either Shailene has avoided the internet for many years, or she was just throwing some straight up shade. She probably doesn't even know what a selfie is either, as she told in an interview that she doesn't own a cell phone. As she said, "I'm not a big technology person. I don't even have a cell phone. The more you get away from all the technological buzz, the more freedom you have." Okay, but does she really have no idea who Kylie Jenner is? Well, we thought that the entire world knows everything there is to know about the Kardashian-Jenner clan. Number 7. Keke Palmer. Alright, Keke Palmer is pretty much an open book when it comes to her life. She gets real about her highs and lows on social media, posts pictures of herself done up and undone, and just keeps it real in general no matter what. She didn't even hold back any punches when it came to the reality TV star during an interview about staying true to yourself with Yahoo Beauty. She accused Kylie Jenner of being inauthentic. She says that Kylie is an example of how society rewards being fake after ridiculing people for being who they really are. Number 6. Tyga. Tyga and Kylie first met when they were pretty young, and one of the first encounters between these two was actually at Kendall's birthday party. The two started dating back in 2014 and were having a great relationship before 2017. While Kylie seemed to get over their breakup quickly, Tyga didn't take it too well. When there were Instagram pictures posted of Kylie and Travis Scott saying Kylie isn't respectable and has no street cred, Tyga liked the comment. He even dissed her in his song called Playboy. "You cut her legs off, she crawls right back to me. I call it Playboy tenacity." Number 5. Amber Rose. When Kylie started dating Tyga, everyone and their mother decided they had to voice their opinion. Among the many was Amber Rose, who believed it was wrong of the two to date given Kylie's young age. When it came to her opinion, Amber let rip in a radio interview. "She's a baby. She needs to go to bed at 7 o'clock and relax. That's ridiculous." Khloe came to her sister's defense via Twitter saying, "Please don't worry about my sister, who has a career and her together at only 17. Later, on Perez Hilton podcast, Rose explained that she felt like everything was extremely misunderstood. As she said, she met Kylie before and she was actually a very sweet girl. She was very surprised about how nice Kylie was to her. Number 4. Kanye West. In the scenes shown on Keeping Up with the Kardashians, it was revealed that Kanye West is really not happy about Kylie and Kris Jenner going behind his back to score a deal with Puma because he works with their rival Adidas. Kim explained that Kanye was upset because he'd always put her in his Yeezy shows. Kanye had Kylie walk in his first 2 Adidas shows. He really believed in her as part of his brand. I feel like this was a conflict of interest. Number 3. Sarah Snyder. Do you remember when Kylie Jenner and Jaden Smith were dating years ago? And Jaden was dating Sarah Snyder as well. Smith and Snyder were dating. Sarah posted a picture on Instagram of her posing with Kylie, but this picture was suddenly deleted soon after without any explanation. Fans also began to notice some tension between them online. It all started when Kylie posted a selfie and captioned it, "Kylie effing Jenner." Fans were quick to remark that she seemed to be mocking Sarah's Instagram username. Of course, Snyder took notice of this and fired back with a selfie captioned, "One and only. The shade is real." Sarah then shared an Instagram story in which she showed a picture of herself and a picture of Kylie copying her pose and captioned, "You channeling me, sis? Is this whole argument about photos?" Their shared ex-boyfriend, Jaden Smith, could have something to do with it, even though it has been years since they've dated. Number 2. Amandla Stenberg. When Kylie decided to add cornrows to her hair, many took to social media to explain how this was culturally inappropriate. She posted a picture to Instagram that showed the teen reality star in a crop top with her hair braided in cornrows, and the photo amassed more than 1 million likes. But don't count Stenberg among the fans. Instead, Amandla Stenberg called Jenner out by calling a comment below the picture that blasted the reality star for appropriating Black culture to her benefit. When you appropriate Black features and cultures but fail to use your position of power to help Black Americans by directing attention towards your wigs instead of police brutality or racism, #white girls do it better, Stenberg wrote. Number 1. Nicki Minaj. It was August 10th, 2018 when Nicki Minaj's new album, Queen, was released. The album didn't rank as number 1, but Travis Scott's latest release, Astroworld, did. What made matters worse was that Scott had promotion help from his girlfriend Kylie Jenner, who has a huge amount of fans on social media. Well, Nicki has actually stirred up some beef with the baby Stormi Webster. Why bring a baby into some adult-level drama? Only 2 words are enough to explain the incident. Record sales. As Minaj said, the only reason Scott maintained the lead with his album is that he sold merchandise as part of a bundle for his music, and because Jenner also promoted his album on her Instagram by saying, "Me and Stormi ready for the tour." Minaj addressed internet rumors that she is feuding with little Stormi. "I love Kylie, I love Kim. I actually love all of them. I know that you guys are saying me and baby Stormi have beef. Yes, we do. Now, this is what the F is happening today. Me against baby Stormi. We have this rivalry now. I'm going to start from scratch." Well, Nicki, to be honest, humor is not your best skill. Okay, it sounds like Minaj is fully aware of how ridiculous this is and taking all of it as a joke, but still, not nabbing the number 1 spot appears to have set her off. What do you think of Kylie Jenner? Would you also criticize her publicly if you were a celebrity? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video from us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.